You guys, it's 4:15 in the morning. Danie and I are going to Florida. Okay, we're going to the home section. You guys, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Oh. Yeah, I'm freaking out. How do we get this home? So I kind of crashed Danie's vacation this week. I had a lot of work to do that required me to sit in the corner of a room and just like head down work. Exactly. Yeah. So I thought, why not do it in the sun?
That's right.
By a pool. Yeah. So Danie and I have been here for a few days, and this is like kind of a different weekly vlog because I am doing a shop with me / Target haul. We did one of these over on Danie's channel. I'll link it down below, so don't forget to go over to her channel and check it out. Yeah. Before we get into that, I wanted to do like a fun little montage of our trip here
montage.
and our first couple days. What do you always say on your channel?
Roll the tape.
That's the one. We are leaving now, and let's go to Florida. We made it! Woo! It's so warm! It is now the evening, and we are in Tin City, which is like a little area in Naples. It looks so cool, and we're gonna get seafood. Cheers! We've had so much fun already, but today is extra exciting because we're going to Target. And for all my American viewers, in Canada, we used to have Target. It was closed. We bought these massive suitcases, but then just packed them like half full, so we had lots of room for our Target finds. Americans aren't gonna understand this. But you guys are so lucky that you have Target just down the street. We didn't just come to any Target, we came to a super Target. Are you ready? I just walked out to show Danie my outfit. Look how different we look. We're done clothing shopping, which means only one thing. The home section. Okay, we're going to the home section. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Oh. Yeah, I'm freaking out. Oh. Section of my dreams. So many baskets. I feel like I could just sit in that and be happy, you know?
Don't judge me. These are delicious.
They're for children.
Yeah, but they're so good. And like listen, it's organic strawberry puree, organic banana puree, organic lemon juice concentrate. Like this thing is so good for you. And I feel so good after I eat it. Drink it. When I'm like on the go in DIY, I can grab these and literally just like go, you know, like DIY snacks.
Have we been here for like 3 hours?
It's 2:11. So we got here at what, like 11. We got here at 11.
Okay, let's get moving. The patio section.
We got here at 11. Like we legit spent all day.
4 o'clock. We just checked out. There's no one I'd really rather spend a whole day on Target with. But also I was gonna say that like we're not great to shop together because we just enable each other a lot.
So bad. That was so bad. You're like, yeah, you should totally get that.
And you were like,
you should
yeah.
get that, like 10 more of them.
And
I'm like,
should get, like,
yeah,
the
I
pants.
should.
Get the sweatpants that I have so we can be matching at the airport. Now we're back. It's the next day and we are gonna do a haul. So we did a haul of all of Danie's purchased items over on her channel. Yep. But I'm gonna show you what I bought. I find shopping kind of difficult. Like I'm not,
Same.
I'm just like not super.
Yeah, spending money's so hard.
No, but I mean for clothes. And I found a lot of clothes. Oh, I'll just start with these. So this is one of the items that I bought. You actually picked this out for me.
I did. I was like shopping more for you than me. I
loved
was like,
it.
You should wear this.
In this little rusty terracotta. It's like a sweatshirt feel,
sleeves.
but it has little puff sleeves. It's so cute.
Yeah, it was
and
really
I got the jean shorts that I'm wearing. I have been looking for a pair of jean shorts for so long. So yeah, I also got these. They're frayed. They make me feel cool. Like a cool person. Oh, and I got this little headband, which I love.
Yeah, I like the headband.
It just like fits nicely.
It does. It looks good.
Thanks. Also, please comment down below if I should get bangs.
Oh my god.
Okay, so the first item that I got is this beautiful mirror. I think it would make a really good jewelry holder, put necklaces, earrings and stuff. It looks like a rainbow. This half circle thing is so in right now. The next thing I got is from Opal House. I love this so much. I saw it and I was like, ah. It's a vase. They labeled it a floor vase.
It could be an umbrella holder.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Oh, I really like that idea.
You're welcome. So what kind of stuff would you put in it?
I think either eucalyptus, like some sort of dried flower or
florals
plant.
Yeah.
I don't really know yet. I haven't decided, but I really like it. Next find. Oh my gosh, I love this.
This is so great.
Okay, we've talked about this. Yeah. I am not very good with incorporating lots of color into my wardrobe. I wear like the same overalls every day just because they're so comfy.
We didn't notice that.
Whatever. People love my overalls.
I love your overalls.
I know, I wear them a lot. Yeah. But then I came across this dress and I had no idea how it was gonna look. It's so flattering. Yeah. It's like this lovely orange and pink color and it's just great for being on camera because it kind of pops. Yeah, this style of dress is really in right now and I'm loving it. It's a maxi dress. But then it has this added like layer at the bottom.
Oh, it's so pretty though.
I know, I love
so
this.
good on you.
And the little puff sleeve detail is so cute.
Good on you. That's a New Day brand.
It was $27.
Oh my god, love it though.
I also love Target for PJs, really inexpensive, comfy PJs. So I love these just to hang around in. And then I got this matching, oh, the top isn't here, it's upstairs. I got a matching top to these, and I feel like the top you could wear with leggings on like a hangout day. But you could also wear them as PJs.
I'm just like cuddling
don't rub
your
shorts. Face all over my shorts, okay? I've also been looking for jeans forever and ever. I just find it hard to find clothes that I feel good in. Like,
yeah, preach.
Yeah.
Preach.
Like it's just a struggle. So these are really lovely high-waisted jeans. They were $25.
Yeah.
Which again, like you just don't pay that price.
And they're stretched,
in Canada.
which is like
They're stretched, they're high-waisted, they're really flattering. Yeah. So I'm gonna be wearing these. Oh, and they're the short length. So I have this weird thing where I just like I know, it's like I'm very particular, but I like pants going just above my ankle. It sounds weird, but I just, yeah. anyways.
No, but they looked
So
great
I'm
on
really
you.
happy
Very
with these.
slimming, very
you.
like, yeah, they looked good on you.
Thank you. I just love this so much. You guys know how much I love candles. And I just am loving anything right now that is curved, that is kind of like, just like quirky in shape.
Yeah.
So this is where I'm gonna put some taper candles. This was $20. And I just feel like pieces like these, if you really love them, I find a lot of people just buy decor for the sake of filling their home.
Yeah, that's true.
I find if you wait for pieces like this or the mirror that I showed, it's like, I don't know, they just make your house feel special.
Makes it a little bit more
And you always have things to like pull from.
Plus, I like how cool is this? It looks like spaghetti. Like noodle.
Okay, I'm obsessed with this. So I went to Target being like, I need a fanny pack.
Yeah.
I am never gonna wear it around my waist. I don't
know why. I
I'm
think
not
it's
cool.
cool.
I'm just not cool enough. But you were wearing one of these the other day, and I'm like,
Yeah, I live in a
need
fanny
one.
pack.
I just think they're so easy when you're going out.
Yeah, and because
For
you
the
can
day?
spin it around. You got all your essentials like there.
And sometimes I find having a purse kind of annoying. Like it just feels like a lot on
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
So it's just like easy. Throw it on over your shoulder.
I like the size
love
of
it.
this one too, because it's not too big. Like I
Yeah.
find sometimes mine feels a little too big.
Yeah,
So this is a nice size.
I love it.
It's gold.
I just feel like really cool. I feel like you. They also had this in a brown leather, which was really nice.
Really?
Yeah. I know. Should I have gotten the...
No, I was like, oh, I should go back.
Well, we're gonna go back, so.
I can't spend more money.
But I really
this
like
is great.
It wasn't that expensive. It's $20.
Oh, that's not bad.
I did not know these existed. This is a little plug-in essential oil diffuser. So
Oh.
you guys know, I love diffusing essential oils. I always have some going in my house, mainly in my living room and my bedroom. But I've always wanted to diffuse oil in my bathroom when I have people over. So this plugs into the wall.
Oh, you put the essential oil on this.
Yes.
So they give you this little thing. It's like a little cotton pad.
Yeah. And they give you a few.
Oh, cute.
And then you
Pop that on top.
plug it in.
And then it blows through the...
Also great for traveling,
Oh, yeah.
you know? It's like ASMR.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Ooh, that's so satisfying. I bought these last time I went to Target, and Lottie loves these. These are by far her favorite toys. They're like exactly like these.
Relate.
So I just right. So I just picked up a few more because they always end up all over the house, and sometimes I'm like, where's her scrunchy balls? She puts them everywhere. So I just got a few more.
Right.
She loves them.
I almost bought my dog a toy, but I was like, I can buy this at home. So I was like...
And I totally could buy these at home, but it's like this specific one that she
And they're
loves.
so cute. They're
And
like the cutest color. Yeah.
I've got these in pink, and she just like doesn't like them as much as she likes these ones.
I mean, it's
Like
like
her
shiny.
preferred toy. So I've heard so many beauty bloggers talk about the Real Techniques brush, and they're I'm sure you guys have heard of them. They're really well known, and they're really affordable, and they don't sell them in Canada. So I got a blush brush.
Ooh, can I take it out?
Yeah. They're really pretty, and they're supposed to be really, really good quality.
Ooh.
And they were really inexpensive. I think this was like $7 or $8. But they're like really well known.
Nice.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
And it's like soft and like... So I got that, and then I got these charcoal hydro eye masks. So these are to put under your eyes. When I'm filming Make My
these are
Space
helpful.
Work, we have to wake up so early. Like sometimes I'm up at like 5 in the morning, 5:30 in the morning, and I always feel kind of puffy.
Yeah.
So I just got a few packs of these because I think they'll help me. And then I also got some of these earrings. These are from Universal Thread. They were $8.
Nice. They look like little wishbones.
And they're just like
Cute.
dainty and pretty.
Yeah.
I'm also like you, not a big jewelry wearer. I wear
Yeah.
the same earrings that you guys have seen a million times. The rainbows. I wear this ring. That's really all I wear.
Yeah.
And a cute little necklace, but thought I'd like branch out a little.
That's fun. Yeah, they look like little wishbones.
When we were
Make a
shooting
wish.
Buyer DIY, I wore so many earrings on that series.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was like, that's unusual because I saw you wear so many earrings
I know.
at one point
I just
in
like
life.
realized that. This next item, I feel like my mom is gonna see this and be like, I love that.
Yeah.
She just like loves anything
with
quirky
mine.
like this, right? But look at this adorable little plant pot, and Danie got the matching one.
This is Brenda.
and this is Delilah. You named them both.
I did.
Which I love. But yeah, they're just super cute. I love that it has a draining hole at the bottom, which is amazing because a lot of decorative plant pots don't. Got these espadrille shoes. I just was like, I love them so much. Like I saw them, I'm like, I need those. And then I put them on and I wasn't wearing the right outfit and I just felt like they didn't look like I envisioned they would. But I actually think in the summer, these will be so cute.
Yeah, and a cute dress. Like,
cute dress.
Or with a pair of jeans. Like you could wear them with your jeans you got and they would look so cute.
And I don't normally wear like platform shoes ever. Like actually ever. But I do love wearing espadrilles. I have one more item. So the last thing I bought, we actually walked into World Market, which is funny because I'd heard of World Market, but I'd never been into it. I didn't really know what it was.
Ever.
So funny. So we walk in and we're like, it's a market, like a food store, but also a decor store.
It's like a bazaar.
And like clothes and jewelry.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, I found this gorgeous peacock dish for $13.
Yeah.
Like, what a stunning...
That's so cute.
Right?
Yeah.
So you can put keys in this, you can put jewelry, soap. Soap dish.
Actually, that's a really cute idea. Like, how cute is this? Stop it. Like,
for like 13 bucks.
Stop.
Okay, that's it.
Oh my god.
That was such a fun day.
It was a long day.
It was a long day.
But it was a great day.
I'm putting on my arm for a hug.
Oh.
It's been so fun crashing your vacation. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hop over to Danie's channel to see her vlog footage.
Yeah.
Her haul. She bought some really great DIY stuff, clothing.
Yeah.
You know, home decor stuff. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching my weekly vlog. This one was a little different, but I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments down below what other videos like this you want to see on Wednesdays. Wednesdays is my day for like lifestyle content, vlogs, behind the scenes. But yeah, I'd love to know what you guys want to see down below when it comes to these kinds of videos. And as always, I will see you on Saturday for a decor/makeover video. Woot! Yeah, and thank you so much for watching.